How to add your own font in Canva. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you two very easy ways to add your own font in Canva. Okay, so the first way is to go to your home page in Canva and you're going to go to the brand logo. Okay, in your brand kits. I have a brand kit, so I'm just going to click on that and you're going to scroll down all the way to fonts. Okay, fonts, and then you're going to see the add new option and you're going to click on add new, upload a font, and then you can just drop whichever file you want right here. Okay, very simple. The other option that we have is you can go to the image or creation that you want to edit. You can go to text and you are going to go to brand kit and edit. Okay, then it'll give you this and you will go to fonts and you will select add new and you can select upload a new font, and yeah, there you go. Okay, very nice and easy. I hope this was a big help to you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and a like, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.